Good morning to all. I, Tapas sir, welcome you all in our online class of DePaul School 2021-22. This year, students, I am going to teach you literature for class 4 students. So, before I start this video, now as the situation is very critical, it is your duty to watch this video attentively at home, children, because at present we don't think any direct classes will be there in the classroom, so you have to depend upon these virtual classes. So please watch this video, try to understand the story, what the teacher is saying, so that it will help you to know about this lesson. Let's begin this video, children. Children, today I am going to teach literature. You can see Cambridge Connection. This is new literature book for this year. So let's see what is there in lesson number 1. Yes, lesson number 1, the worthy successor. This is lesson number 1. Today I am going to teach, as this lesson is a little bit bigger, I have made 2 parts of this lesson, so I will teach the half of the part today, that is part 1 in this video, and the second rest of the part of the story I will teach you in the second video that will come later on. Let's start the lesson. High up in the hill of Assam was a famous temple. The priest of this temple was greatly respected. Assam is a northeast state of India. There is a famous temple called, you can see, Kamakhya temple. In the lower part of the video you can see. Kamakhya temple is the most famous temple in Assam. It is situated on the Nilachal hill. This story is about that temple. There was a priest who did a great service for the temple for long years. Now he has become very old, so now a new priest was in search, so that who can take the seat, or we can say he can take the charge from him to conduct all the rituals, all the whatever the temple pujas were done through a new priest. So a new priest was in search. As he grew older, the priest started looking for a successor who could take charge of the temple after him, but he could not find a single person suitable for the position. When will my search for the most suitable successor be over? The priest was in a deep thought that how he can find a best person to serve this temple, and he was in dilemma whether he can get the best one or not. So he was in great thought. The day arrived when the old priest lay on his deathbed. He called for the caretaker of the temple. He was now in such a situation that any moment he can die. So he called for the caretaker of the temple named Gopan. After my death, make sure that only a human being is chosen as the priest of the temple. Saying this, the holy man breathed his last. He called for Gopan. Gopan was the caretaker of the temple. He told to Gopan, Gopan, if you are searching for a new priest in my place, you always think that he should be a great or a good human being first. By saying so, the priest died. In the evening, oh, our beloved priest is no more. The need for a new priest is urgent now. I must call all the hopeful men to attend the selection process of the temple. Now he was thinking that our great uh, priest who served for this temple is no more, he is dead. Now I should call for people and do the selection process. I should start the selection process to find out the best person to be the priest of this temple. On the day of the interview, Gopan was standing at the topmost point of the hill where the temple was located. Gopan was standing at the top part of the hill, and which was in the temple was in the hill. So he was standing there and looking for some people who were trying their best to climb the hill. I see a large number of young men making the steep and dangerous climb. Now how will I know whom to choose? I can taste this knowledge of his holy book, but the wise one definitely wanted me to look for something more. What could it be? Now he was thinking that how he can find out the best person for this temple, because the book knowledge everybody will have if he is a wise man, but the priest who died gave him the advice that he should search for a best person or a good human being for the post of priest in this temple. Then Gopan was thinking how I can find out the best person among all. By the time the young men reached the temple, they were exhausted. Gopan gave them food and water. When they reached to the temple after climbing the hill, all the three people were very tired. So Gopan gave them food and water so that they can quench their thirst as well as fill their stomach, because they were too much hungry after a long walk to the temple. Then they were asked to recite verse from the sacred text. Each young man was better than the other. Now he gave the verse, you can say mantras, to the three of them to learn and to say before him, so that he can find out the person who is good in saying the mantras. They all are perfect. Any of them would make a good priest. What do I do? Now, when three of them were given the task to do, and Gopan found that three of them did the best what he expected from them. Now he was in great thought, or he can say he was in dilemma to find out the best among the three. Now, because he is not that much intelligent, or you can say wise, to find out the best person for for this post. Just then a tired young man limped into the temple courtyard. It was easy to see that he was badly hurt. His clothes were torn in several places. What happened to you? Have you come for the selection process? Look at your feet. Oh, they are hurt badly. Means just then a tired young man reached to the temple who was badly hurt. Gopan saw him. He was in very bad condition or pathetic condition, because he was limping as he got hurt on his leg. So Gopan told him, where were you so late? Why you were so much injured? Then the person told. What the person told, I will tell you that part in the second video, children. So in this story we could easily find out that a person who served for the temple so many years, gave his life in the service of this temple. Now it was Gopan, who is the caretaker of this temple, was given the charge to find out the best person for the post of the priest of this temple. Now Gopan, with his limited knowledge, he can limited abilities, how he can find out the best person who can replace the great priest who had served in this temple for so many years. So later how he found out the person we will see in the second video. Thank you children for watching this video, and try to watch it again and again, because now you are having enough time. Try to understand the story first. So best of luck for your future or for your new class. So thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Bye bye.